Meet the parrot, a creature of vibrant beauty and incredible intelligence. With its bright, colorful feathers, this bird is a living rainbow of the rainforest, its calls echoing through the trees. Watch as it gracefully takes flight, soaring through the lush canopy with ease, its wings cutting through the air in a display of perfect agility. On the ground, it feeds on tropical fruits and seeds, its beak designed for delicacy. But what truly sets the parrot apart is its ability to mimic sounds from its surroundings, from the rustling leaves to other animals. As the day fades, the parrot returns to its perch, ready to rest and begin the cycle again with the morning light. A true marvel of nature, this stunning bird is a symbol of the wild's vibrant spirit.
Graceful and serene, the dove is a symbol of peace and purity. With its soft white feathers and gentle cooing call, it glides effortlessly through the skies, creating an aura of calm wherever it goes. In the wild, the dove can be found nestled in the trees, its delicate wings beating softly as it takes
Silent and stealthy, the snake slithers through the grass, its movements smooth and mesmerizing as it blends seamlessly into the wild.
Powerful and swift, the cheetah sprints across the savanna, its incredible speed unmatched, while the lion, regal and strong, rules the wild with fierce authority.
Graceful and alert, the deer leaps through the forest, its delicate steps a dance of pure elegance in the wild.
From the highest peaks to the deepest forests, the wild reaches far and wide, a vast, untamed world full of mystery and life.
Striking and unique, the zebra's bold black and white stripes blend with the wild, moving in harmony across the vast African plains.